In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some insane ways by which you are going to be able to make money with the help of print on demand. Right now, we are here into this print on demand website. Now, you can see some animals, some collections up here, and so much more. Really great things like Empower Animals, Track Life, Tubies, Holidays, New Design, and all of it. Here you can see some featured products. That means in this store we can actually get very cool things like animals and so much more. So we can check them out. So you can see they actually sell t-shirts. Yes, basically they sell t-shirts, and you can see they actually sell it for $22, some 22 plus dollars, and the strongest you can see some cool. Here it is well with my soul, and so much more. That means what? That means you can see track is the easy, and it is all clear. That means for infant they also sell some onesie. So this is something really, I think it's one size they might want to write it, and here it is all of it. And now whenever we go up here, you can all see that whenever we click up here, we will be actually going onto this insane place that's going to be getting us to know. Now the question is, we can actually get all of these in Amazon. So what we can actually do is we can go onto Amazon and we can actually buy it. But why people are buying from there? Now get this thing, if you want to sell it on Amazon, you can sell it, but you have to pay some transaction fees to Amazon. But if you don't want to do this, this is known as print on demand. That means if you want to sell on Amazon, you have to go to Alibaba or to any place from which you can actually take the product, and then you have to keep it, or you have to keep it in a warehouse, and it will be, you can do Amazon FBA, that is it will be fulfilled by Amazon. And after that you are going to be getting some good amount of profits. But is it worth it? No. Why? Because if you're a new person who doesn't know anything about anything, until and unless you get the right things done, you are going to be having some problem. You want to keep it basic, you want to keep it really simple. So what you choose is that you can choose print on demand. How you can do this? How you can do this is completely simple. You are going to be simply putting in the designs, and then they are actually be going to make the whole thing. That is, you are going to be giving them design, they are going to be choosing the best high quality fabrics, and you are going to be giving them the options of which color it should be. And whenever you do all of this, then they are going to be shipping your product to the customer who has ordered from your website. That means you do not have to touch, feel, or know what the product is all about. You can simply sell the high quality product to your customers, and they are going to be becoming a repeat customer. Stoma, and this is stoma.com. And if you go on to Alibaba, here you can see you can actually choose from the products like sports and entertainment, consumer electronics, timepieces, agriculture, and so much more. Right, so you can actually choose from all these options, and there are other categories also that will be helping you out, like woodwork, machinery, and here are something personal protective equipments that are there. So you can choose from these ones, and you can simply do drop shipping if you want to do like that. Then you can simply go on to Amazon, and on Amazon you can actually sell all of it. Now it is completely simple, it's completely easy to do. How you can do is very simple. Now if you want to actually do all of it, you have to previously from Alibaba, let's assume that you took you have took this thing, okay, or you might have took this thing, or you might have taken this thing. So if you have previously here it is an earphone, and if you want to take this, or if you want to use a sports shoe, you can actually do that. And here it is a virtual reality showroom. And if you want to take these earphones and headphones, and if you want to sell like this, then you have to previously source. But if you want to sell this design, then you can actually make a design with the help of a artist or a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork, from anyone that you want. Or if you don't want to spend any money, you can design it yourself even. Then what you need to do, you need to simply upload it on a print on demand website that you can start with the help of Shopify. Now the best thing is you can actually start Shopify really easily. I've given a link in the description where it will be really be shown how you can start a print on demand website with the help of Shopify. And not just that, how you can do themes, how you can run it in some great ways. With the help of that, then you can actually be able to scale your business real fast. Now the big question that comes to us is that if you want to start a channel just like that, what you need to do, you need some traffic. How you can get traffic is completely simple. For example, if you go on to Stoma, then we will be actually be able to see that this website has got only 2,754 followers. That means this is not some big amount of people who are actually onto this trash life. So how they are actually doing it? You can actually do it in complete simple ways. You can actually go on to Canva, and after that you can see, whenever you go on to this Canva, you can see mockups up there. That means if you want to make something just like this, and if you want to sell all of this, you can make this mockup with the help of Canva, and then you simply need to design, or if you hire a person, then it's a great way. And if you don't want to do that, then you can actually make it yourself, and after that you can actually do the mockup. And whenever you do the mockup, voila, you are ready to do what? You're ready to upload on Instagram, and whenever you are ready to upload on Instagram, you're gonna be getting sales, and you can use FB ads or Insta ads if you want to do it. Now here is another way that you can do. Now we also talk about YouTube no face channels. That means what? That means you can start with the help of no face YouTube channels, and then you can upload it in the various ways that you want to do. In fact, one of the biggest YouTubers, that is Mr. Beast, is also using this strategy, and you can all see that people are actually buying all of it. Why? Because people love it. And you can also do the same thing in some real easy way. Whenever you are ready to make all of it, then you can actually go down up here, and then you can actually make something, all of these t-shirts just like this, and it's going to be completely insane if you are doing it in the right way. That was all for today. I hope that you have understood what is print on demand, and why you should definitely try print on demand is because you are getting an edge of, you don't have to worry about the inventory. That is, whenever sales comes first, that is, in this model, the sales is the first thing that comes first, and after that you are going to be making the product. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that something fun? And not just that, you do not have to sell only t-shirts. You can sell coffee mugs if you want, you can sell phone covers if you want, you can sell paintings if you want, you can sell whatever the thing that you like, and you can actually sell that thing. You can even sell laptop skins. You can sell whatever you want to sell. If you want to sell photo frames, you can do that. And the pro tip that I want to give it to you, keep everything that you do personalized, because personalized gifts is something that people actually love, and whenever they are going to be getting that, people will be happy.